My Winjas. This is your girl Maya, and today we are talking about massage guns. I'm going to review RecoverFun massage gun, and I'm going to compare it to the one I made. Yo, your girl DIY this gun. Well, I'm going to break down everything from price, speed, battery life, quality of massage, all for you right now in this video. Check it out. Okay, a little bit of a backstory. RecoverFun reached out to me after they saw my DIY video on YouTube. I was like, yo girl, why don't you check out our gun and review it for us? And to be honest, I'm like, you know I make my own gun. I don't need your gun. I like my gun. But I'm like, okay, why not? Send it right over. And as soon as I received it, look at this case it came in. It comes in this fancy ass case. It's about a quarter weight of the one I made. And so to be honest, I'm like, damn, it's pretty good. So here it is. I've been using it now for 3 weeks since I've come home from my trip. And guys, I'm totally in love, okay? Let's start with sound. So head to head, yo, RecoverFun is quiet as hell. My biggest problem with the DIY gun, it is really loud. It's a freaking jigsaw, right? So check it out. This is, I'll show you how loud it is at full speed. So imagine this right at your tracks, right at your ear. It's pretty loud. Now, RecoverFun was like, what? There's 5 speeds. At the highest speed, I can't even get it that loud. It is super quiet. It's unreal. Crazy, head to head, you win. So, sound, this thing is legit quiet. Now, let's get into weight. This is a jigsaw. It is heavy, okay? I would say I could do curls with this and actually feel my biceps popping a bit. This is so light. And I like how it has this grippy handlebar action. Oh, super light. Even my kids, I have my niece and nephew doing my back, and they're like tiny little people. They had no problems holding on to it. It is very, very light. I don't know the specifics, but weight, you win again. Now, I want to talk about the precision of speed control, because there is no speed control here really. Your trigger finger is your speed control based on how well you manage your finger. So some people, if you're not used to using this, it could get a little clunky, like fast, slow. So you gotta use your the release button and your trigger finger as your speed control. Versus RecoverFun has 5 speed controls. You turn it on. Number 1, really good for activating and waking up the central nervous system of a muscle. To number 5, getting right in there. And there's no trigger. I don't need to worry about holding down the release button and pressing the trigger. I'm just like boop, 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 da 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 da. Now, let's talk about quality of percussion, okay? This thing, you can get really precise of how you want it to massage you. So right out of the box, which comes like with this really sweet ass case, like I take this to see my clients, put this in the car, like pretty damn great. But right out of the bag, you have 4 attachments. So you can go really precise. This is really good for hitting the traps and hitting that area between the shoulder blades, the rhomboids. This is my favorite guy so far, the bullet. So it gets right there into that trigger point, bam! And then you've got the bigger blunt guys, really good for the glutes, the hammies, getting right in there. And then you got the ball, just as I do the lacrosse, right? And this guy. So we use this for along the back, along the spine. Ooh, and it just goes right down, getting all those little muscles that get really tight from everyday living, right? So precision of percussion and quality of percussion, RecoverFun wins again. Battery life. So check it out. This thing at full speed probably goes for 30 minutes. It's so loud, it's heavy, right? Like, it's also got the lithium AC adapter charger, so as well as this. But this guy, the company claims that it can last for 3 hours, and honestly, I couldn't even try it for that long. So Mike and I were going full out, speed 5, back and forth, hitting each other like, I got your back, got my shoulder, got my glutes, la 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 la. And we could not outlast it. So I can't even tell you exactly how long it lasts because we were done before this guy was done. So boom. And comes with a perfect little AC adapter. It's 3 hours to full charge and then you're good to go. And now to the price, okay? So the biggest reason why I made my own gun was because of price, because your girl ain't spending that much money on a tool, right? So Theragun back in the day was $650 and then Hypervolt was hitting around $500. And so I'm like, I'm not paying that much, and so that's why I made my own gun, and it came out to be about $120 with the jigsaw, the adapter, and the attachments, right? And so at the time, that was pretty freaking great. But then, yo, read this freaking gun. This gun is $99, and it comes with a case and all the attachments, and right out of the box, it's like, boom, what? I can't beat this. So you don't have to make it yourself. It's lighter, it's more, it's better, and it's cheaper. Yo, so RecoverFun is right now going head to head with everything else on the market, and they want to be known as the most affordable recovery percussion massage tool on the market. And there is no comparison. I haven't seen anything else that could beat this price that is this good. And I was a little weary. I was like, okay, it's from China, it can't be that good. There's no way, it's $99. I mean, there's no way it could compare to a Theragun. And I've used a Theragun, I've used the Hypervolt, and it feels exactly the same to me, honestly. For real, height, weight, quality of percussion, speed, they all have the same kind of like 5-speed, 4-speed situation. This looks just like a Hypervolt, and it's $99. What? So overall, even though I started off a little weary and I didn't want to like it, I really, really, really like it based on ease of use, lightness, sound quality or lack of loud sound quality. And it's just really good and it totally helps me. I love it. I'm going to buy every one of my family members one because it's just wonderful. It's a great tool to have in your arsenal. Great way to release your clients, release yourself, help each other out, feel good, feel better, recover, go and win the day so you can get back to moving the way you're meant to move. So this is your girl Maya. Thanks for watching this video. Drop me a like. Let me know, have you tried any other tools? Have you tried making it yourself? And please subscribe and I will see you next time.